Closing market comments for Monday, October the 5th. Wheat closed higher. Corn and beans closed about unchanged on the day. Not a lot of big news in the markets today. We did have the USDA announce a sale of 160,020 metric tons of corn to Mexico. We did have an announcement by Britain that their wheat crop was going to be 10.13 million metric tons. That's down 37.5% from last year. Russia's wheat crop was at 83.0, up 0.2 million metric ton. So a little good news, a little bad news on wheat, but we'll see. The market continues to be stronger on wheat. Dry weather continues in Russia, Ukraine, and the Western Plains. So we're seeing fears of wheat planting progress being delayed because of dry conditions. So that is giving us support in the wheat market. Otherwise, weekly exports were announced. Corn last week, 34 million. That's up from 32.6 the previous week and 18.6 last year, with 26 to 43 expected, but well below the needed of 46.4 million. We need to somehow pick up those exports. Soybean exports 61.3 million bushels. That's up from 47.6 last week, 38.7 the last year, with 39 to 57 expected, so a little above the range, and 40.1. So we're doing a good job on beans, but still lagging in corn. Wheat 23.7, up from 21.6 million the previous week, 17.6 million last year, with 15 to 24 expected, and 18 million needed per week. Crop conditions came out tonight, 62% on corn. That's up 1% from the previous week and 56% last year. Soybean conditions came out at 64%. That's unchanged from last week and 53% last year. Corn mature is rated at 87%, so right actually above average at 78%. Corn harvested at 25%, right on their normal of 24%. Soybeans dropping leaves at 85%, up 3% from the average. And soybeans harvested at 38%. That's 10% above average. And not the case in eastern Indiana, I can tell you, but it certainly looks like the rest of the country is having great success on soybean harvest at 38%. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.